All right, next we're going to talk about another exclusive from Micromark. Although this is very similar to ProWeld and some other products out there. This is from Micromark called Same Stuff, and we sell it in a kit with the touch and flow applicator from the company that actually produced the Flexifile, the nifty little product. And this is the applicator, so you can see how precise this is. And so we sell it as a group. We also sell it separately. We sell the touch and flow applicator separately, and we sell the Micromark Same Stuff separately. But tell us how this works. Show us how this works.
Sure.
Right?
So this is a solvent welder for plastic. It's not actually a glue. It's causing the plastic to melt into itself right at the glue joint, right where you apply it. The plastic will just bond itself together. If you get it onto your skin, it's not sticky at all. It just evaporates away like alcohol. So it's a very thin fluid, which is needed for this type of an applicator. You couldn't use this applicator for regular glues. It'll just solidify and then just destroy this fluid. But to get the liquid into here, you just insert the glass tube into the bottle, and just like sticking a drinking straw into a soda, the liquid rises up. Top off, lift up, you see the liquid's in there. And you flip it over and kind of flip it until it comes all the way down, and you see it starts dripping out the bottom. And at that point, it's ready to go. And you just align your pieces, and you just drag this along the joint, and it's pulling the liquid back out of the tube right into the sand.
Very nice. So that capillary action is getting it right where it needs to go.
That's
right. And this takes about 15 seconds to dry.
Yeah, very quickly. It's not quick there, but just within a few seconds it'll dry up and it's all fine.
Perfect.
So,
Same Stuff and touch and flow applicator by Micromark.